Hey, it's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have blind bags. It's monsters. Star monsters. I have many, well, a few. Like 6. So I'm excited to open them. Hope you are too. They're really colorful and they come with stickers and stuff. So I got them with some Star Monsters magazines as well. I don't have those. But let's look at them. Hey! Many Star Monsters! Okay, let's take this one to be first. I have a convenient opening thing so you can open them on the go. Let's see the sticker first. Oh my god, there's a random. He's like a lava monster. And this one, I don't know, he has a fringe. Oh my god. This fell. Oh my gosh. They're so hilarious. This one is like a tube with ears, no hands. Okay, let me get the other one that fell. Okay, here he is. He's like a red thing with a little tail and little arms. They kind of make me think of bacteria, you know, when you see bacteria in biology books and they're all like crazy shapes. That's what these make me think of. Okay, second one. Oh no, I'm ripping the sticker. Haha. Purple ones! They're both purple. This one is like... I wonder if these are all the ones you can get. I have a few... I don't have them here because I moved house, so they're kind of... I ripped it, but not the sticker itself. He's kind of like a spiky bacteria, and he's like an evolution of that one. Let's see. Oh my god. He's kind of like a green llama. Oh my god. They're so amazing. Oh, this is my favorite one so far. He's like a dinosaur. It's like a stacked dinosaur. Oh, I like him. Okay, let's see. I hope we don't get duplicates, because there's not that many. Ooh, it's a shiny, it's a rare one. I have like 2 shiny ones, I think. This is a weird yellow one. I don't think I have any of these ones. Oh no, it's another llama one, but it's blue. Is it the same? Yeah, I think it's the same, but it's blue. So there's different color variations. Oh, I was confused by this just for a minute. It's a block. Oh, it's this one. He's like a block monster. Ooh, I kind of like him. He's kind of like an angry PC. Let's see the next one. Hey, it's a dinosaur and a snake. Oh, look at this one. Oh yeah, I like this one. He's like a one-eyed worm. He's so cool. And oh, the angry one. Oh, we have him, but he's a different color. Oh, and we have the snake. Snake? No, okay, we don't have the snake. We have a picture of the snake. I thought we had a snake. Okay, this little angry dude. Okay, so from this page we've got both. That's cool. Ooh, second last one. No, we got a duplicate sticker. Let's see if we got any duplicate monsters. Ooh, he's like a muscle monster. Like the Michelin Man of monsters. He's cute. And oh, little tall monster. I like his little arms. Oh, he's kind of like Plankton from SpongeBob. I like him. Last one! Oh my god, can you guess what it's gonna be? Can you guess? Can you guess? 3 lots of this sticker. That's ridiculous. But so far, only the llama man is a duplicate, and the rest are all different. Oh, okay, this one is cool. He's like square, and he has a little fringe. He's like a parrot. I like him. And plankton, and he's actually green. Okay, so we got 2 duplicates, but they're different colors, so I'm not too mad at that. And many, many, many duplicate stickers. Yeah, the stickers are nice. I'll try to find some use for them. I'll just film a close-up of these. Oh, I really like how they sound when you just smush them around. They're so cool. I like them. I think the square one is my favorite. Or these 3. I like the other one as well, this one. I'm just not a fan of red. If he wasn't red, he'd probably be higher up. I think this one is my number 1, and then this one, 2nd, this one 3rd, and this one 4th. Haha, they're so cute. You should definitely get some. Thanks for watching. Oh, look at how colorful they are. Look at this one. Look at his smiley face. And the llama people. And the red one.